Good morning, everybody. Today is a Bisque day. Okay, this I made for our fruits. It's a fruit bowl. So I wanted to make it with like a lot of like holes, so the air will flow, and the fruits will not rot. So that's it. Anyway, that's one. That's a cup that one of my students made. Nice, handmade.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's a special cup for orange juice that Eran asked. He asked me to make it because we drink too much orange juice. So he wanted us to lower the amount of quantity that we drink. So he made small ones. These I call them biscuits. This I actually made. It's like a leftover from the bowl.
How did you make the bowl? The holes in the bowl?
The holes? Oh, with this. It's a cutter. Well, I can't find it now, but it's one of those.
So you cut holes when the slab is flat and then you make the shape
No.
of the bowl?
No, first I make the bowl. Actually, this I made it like in a slab roll, flat, and then I put it in a bowl,
Mm.
and then
And then you cut the holes? Okay.
And then I made the hole. Yeah, just randomly.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. This Ladle?
Ladle.
Ladle? Oh my God, it sounds like Yiddish. I meant it because I went to the supermarket one day. I went to the supermarket and I couldn't find something that I actually wanted, the size that I want. Look, it's cute. It looks like a little
shape,
heart.
Yeah.
I hope it's gonna last. That it's not gonna break. So, some more biscuits.
Something doesn't make sense in the ladle about the position of the
handle.
the
Yeah. Well, I thought about it, and then I said, well, I can actually cut it. I thought I was supposed to do it like that, or like that,
Yeah.
so we can pour.
Right.
But then I said, and then I realized that I made a mistake.
Mm.
And then I said, I'm not going to change it now. It is what it is. Period. But it's a good thought. And you actually thought about it. Plates. I like to make plates. I like to eat from the plates that I make. Okay. Bowls. Soup bowls, because we like to eat lots of soup. This, I made it thin, and then I was afraid I was gonna break it, so I didn't smooth it, but I'm gonna smooth it before I glaze it with a sanding paper. But I like it. It's cute. Spoon rest.
Yes.
There's something cute about spoon rest. This is also hand built. What is it for? Don't ask me. I just made it. I like the. I saw it in the supermarket. This, and I said, oh, that's cute. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but I can make it from clay. So. another soup bowl. Oh, today's Sunday. The bells are ringing. Okay. Now,
Wow, that's a big
it's a big
manta, but
manta.
its tail is broken.
No, it broke before. I was thinking about it, and then I said, because I wanted like a long tail, so I said I'm gonna take this, and then after I glaze it and after everything, I'm just gonna glue. You see, this is how it's supposed to look like. I'm gonna glue it together, and then I'm gonna hang it. If you ever dive with manta ray, then it's something that you don't forget, and you just don't. And it's a good reminder. I'm gonna hang it on the wall. And I think that's it, no? Yeah. That's it. So you can actually see the sea from here. So bye-bye from Cyprus. Bye, thank you for watching.